All right, so we finally got an awesome day to go fishing. The wind has died down. It's a little bit of cloud coverage. It's a little warmer than I'd like, but should be good conditions out there. We're just packing up right now. We got the yaks loaded up. My wife is going to be joining me today, packing out the car. Just got to get the rods in, and then we're going to hit the road. This is going to be my first video. I thought I would just go out to one of my favorite spots out in the marsh. We're just going to free line some shrimp. So I think we're going to get like 3 or 4 hours of fishing in. So it should be a good day. Yeah, I'm super stoked to see what we can get on. Hoping for some black drum, maybe a couple redfish, maybe sheephead. They've been biting pretty good right now. So yeah, let's hope for the best. See you out there. All right, we finally made it out onto the water. That I was wrong about the wind. The wind is kicking. It looks like the tide's coming in pretty hard, so it's gonna be a little rough conditions. So we're gonna try to go in these little canals and try to hide from the wind a little bit. We're headed to a spot right now that has a lot of little snook that I've caught before there, and a few small reds, even some snapper. Jeez. We're gonna try to make it happen. Oop, there's a fish. A little fighter. What do we got? Looks like, nice. Small little red. Look at that. Awesome. Yeah, I knew this spot always holds something. When the tide is a little higher, they kind of tuck away in here. Beautiful little redfish. These fish are so fun to catch. Look at that teal tail. Awesome. First catch. Said it was supposed to be only like 10-mile-an-hour winds. I guess it still says this is only 10. Do you imagine 20 yesterday? We could go under the bridge and then just, I'm not gonna fish under the bridge, but we could sail past the bridge and go onto the other side over there you've never been to.
What?
I said we could just ride the tide out in the river here, go down past the bridge and go to that one spot, or we could go back to the toilet bowl. What do you think? These guys are going hunting. Hunting, fishing, living every day. And it is windy. All right, I think we found a little bit of cover from the wind. It's a little better, not much. And I went around a tree. Oh. Yep, we're stuck. What we got? Nice, another redfish. Second one of the day. Eight. About the same size as the other one, except he's peeing on me. Another probably 15-incher. Let him go. All right, so the sun is just setting, and we are going to call it a day today. The wind and the tide was just way too much for us to handle today, so we hit the backwaters a little bit. Was able to get on a few nice little redfish, which was awesome. All around, it was a pretty good day. We're gonna head out. Maybe we'll come back out in a nicer day when it's calmer. See if we can get on some bigger fish. But this was my first video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep watching. Yeah, we're just gonna loading up the kayaks right now, and we're gonna head out. Here they are, all loaded up. Gonna hit the road. Peace out.